Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save template in Excel. So let's start this in Excel, and you can see here I already add one template. So let's see how it's add first. So I use here the Control N to open the new Excel file. So Control N, the shortcut key to open the new Excel file. This is the new Excel file open as the Excel shows the books 1, book 2 for new Excel file. Okay. Now here I'm going to add the template. To add templates, go to the file tab. In home option, you can see these are the recent template, those are used. Okay. And just click on the more templates option and you can check here the all templates. You can see these are the all templates. There are some tab also, business related template, personal related template, planner and tracker also available here, list, budget, charts, and calendar. So just click on the list and you can see here the different list here available in different template. Okay. So I simply select the one list. So I select here the inventory list. So I just click on it and here the one dialog box is open. Then click on the create option. Okay. You can see the list is added in Excel. Okay. Now I'm going to save this template. Okay. So just go to the file tab and click on the save as option. Then click on the this PC. So here you can see the save as dialog box is open. So here you can save your the template. So before that, you just choose the location where you want to save these documents. Okay. So if you want to save this template in documents folder, just click on this documents option. And here the documents folder is open. You can see here the check here the path. This PC in this PC, the documents folder available. If you want to save in downloads folder, just click on the download. The download folder here open. In this PC, downloads folder here open. If you want to cross check, you can check here downloads folder open or not. Okay. Now, if you want to save this template in downloads folder in different folder, so you can just click on the new folder to create new folder. You can click create here the new folder. So I just enter the name of this folder, Excel template. Okay. Then just double click on to open this folder. Now you can see in downloads, Excel template folder is available. Here the Excel template folder is blank. So there is a no item, not save. Just I create this folder. So I'm going to save this template. Okay. Just click on the save and that's it. Your template is saved in one folder. Okay. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.